Hello, trading is closed on October 24th, 2023. We'll do our disclaimer, go over our calls, make some predictions. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, Wednesday, October 25th, 2023. I'm going to be busy most of the afternoon. Might not take any trades, so if you're going to risk your own money, please remember I can get completely wrong. Today's pattern, we said we have the early high, which is this. Tomorrow should have the early low. We had a target 4250.42. I thought it might not print, but it still was the target. It did print, and it was not only the target, it was also a resistance area. And so far, resistance is holding. During the day, MEJT gave a buy signal by the low. Didn't have to pay off as grandly as it did, but the buy signal did work, and that's played out. Kept up, higher high, dotted line, close under all the highs. Not good if that's maintained. Big drop, Monday's open, 2 days of rally, still can't close over these highs. Not good. Time runs out early tomorrow. We gap either direction, take out this high fast. We can't actually trade higher. If we don't take this out fast, ideally by gapping first, we should trade lower. Doesn't necessarily mean that we close lower, but this was a major break in 2 days of rallying. Haven't done much more than back and fill. It just hasn't made any progress on the upside, despite having plenty of time to do it. Now, as I said, time's not up. But unless this break gets invalidated, I'm not optimistic about higher targets here. So tomorrow's pattern has a really low regardless of where we open. Typically it is a bullish day with a high in the final hour. If it's weak, more weakness should follow in days to come. Gapped up, hit a higher high, closed under intraday highs. So if that's maintained, and that's an if that's maintained at the open, it's a bearish pattern, should lead to lower prices regardless of where we close. Bulls need a gap and a prompt move over today's high to kill the pattern, and anything can happen. I mean, if we gap over this, nothing says we have to pull back immediately. But if we don't, even if we're going to reverse it, I think we'll trade lower. And it's a pattern with the early low. That's today's call.